Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little drill that's going to help anyone that suffers with carpal tunnel syndrome. It's an absolute nightmare. I know, I've had it before myself, and this drill worked wonders. What we're going to do is we're going to stand with our elbow nice and straight. We're in our neutral stance, so that's feet on their hips, nice, tall and relaxed. With that elbow straight, you're going to then lift the fingers in front of you. So fingers to the wall in front. You're then going to tilt your head to the side and rotate up and back in the shoulder so that you really seat that scapula. You're then going to rotate that hand behind you and lift it out to the side. From there, you're just going to do a few circles in one direction and a few in the other. Just keep swapping between them until you've done about 20 rotations in each direction. You should feel this all the way down, the bicep into the forearm, sometimes in the fingers as well. So from the side, what you're going to do, nice neutral position, elbow nice and straight. You're going to lift that palm up so the fingers are touching or pointing towards the wall in front. From there, you're going to tilt the head to the opposite side. Roll that shoulder up and back, really seat that scapula. Then you're going to rotate that hand. You're going to move the hand out a little bit, and then 5 in one direction, in the other direction, until you reach about 20 reps on each side. There you go. That should really help out anyone that suffers with carpal tunnel syndrome. Give it a go. Let us know what you think. Let us know if it helps you, more importantly.